Welcome to Doosan Machine Tools, a global force in the industry. Doosan Machine Tools was established in 1976. With 2 manufacturing plants in Korea and 1 manufacturing plant in Yantai, China, Doosan Machine Tools manufactures turning centers, machining centers, boring machines, double column machining centers, and Swiss turns. Now, let's begin the tour of key facilities in Namsan plant. The construction of South Korea's largest machine tools R&D center, completed in 2008, has been the driving force behind our ability to develop world-class products. We have 2 NHM 8000 FMS machining lines and 1 large capacity 5-face FMS machining line. These also include multi-pallet storage facility, rail-guided vehicle, workplace setup stations, washing stations, and central command systems. All lines are capable of up to 72 hours of automated machining. The NHM 8000 FMS line used matrix tool magazines, each with 262 tool capacities. The 5-face machining FMS is capable of automatic machining on 5 faces with a single setup. This is where the high-precision parts of machining tools are finished machined. This area is temperature and humidity controlled to maintain the highest level of precision. At the spindle grinding center, the spindles and sleeves for turning centers, machining centers, and boring machines are finished ground to optimum precision. This is the turning center for manufacturing center spindle head assembly area. The clean room for assembling bearings maintains the same level of cleanliness as that of semiconductor manufacturing facilities. In the turning center assembly line, each unit is assembled using a cell production system where one person is responsible for every step of the assembly work. High-precision multi-axis, multifunctional turning centers are manufactured in this line. By operating an internationally certified precision measurement center, we perform analysis and inspection tasks to achieve unparalleled level of precision measurement technology. The machining center assembly line is where high-end equipment suitable for high precision and high-speed machining such as horizontal, vertical machining centers, and 5-axis machining centers are assembled. The Optimal Solution Center provides machining solutions for newly developed models to further increase their reliability and performance. The Reliability Research Center performs pre-production reliability evaluation of the core units of various machine tools. Doosan Machine Tools operates automated machining systems based on abundant expertise and know-how. The system shop assembles high-end equipment. The service center provides engineering services throughout the life of the machine. The services include technical support, on-site maintenance, and training for machine tool operators. For faster parts supplied to customers, the Service Parts Warehouse provides real-time response, fully utilizing its advanced logistics system for parts management, order processing, and shipping. The Seongju plant is built for production of large-sized machine tools and is Doosan's latest manufacturing plant. It reflects the know-how accumulated from decades as a leading producer of machine tools. It boasts a huge workspace of 15,292 meters squared with a height of 20 meters and is suited for the production of large machine tools such as large horizontal and vertical turning centers, large boring machines, large vertical machining centers, and 5-face double column machines. The BM series is a large double-column machining center equipped with a high-speed spindle, and the DBC series is a large-capacity horizontal NC boring machine. The BM series is designed for production of large parts. The DBC series is designed to produce large parts. This is the DCM series, a 5-face double-column machining center. It can support all processes from heavy cutting to precision machining, from parts machining to mold machining. The HM series are large-size, heavy-duty horizontal machining centers. This is the assembly line for Minx 9500 and BM series. This is the assembly line of large-size horizontal turning centers, including the Puma 600, 700, 800, with workpiece length of 5 meters and can perform 2-axis and Y-axis machining. The large-scale ram-type vertical turning center offers a wide machining capacity and heavy-duty cutting capacity. Doosan Machine Tools will always do its very best to present the best products and optimal solutions reflecting our customers' needs. Thank you. Doosan Machine Tools, the reliable partner.